So what's up, y'all? Welcome back to SHH Fishing, keeping you ready and motivated for trout fishing in Pennsylvania and surrounding areas. I'm Corporal Hood, and we're out here today because we want to investigate a question that is going on in the fly fishing industry here in 2026. Is the 9-foot 5 weight a dead weight? Now, traditionally, it's been kind of that 6 weight that's been the dead zone because, you know, you got your 9-foot 5 weight and then you got your 7 weight and that 6 weight. Well, you know, the 5 weights, they were beefy enough to almost do what the 6 weight could do, and then, well, might as well get a 7 because that 6 was kind of just that weird spot. But with rod tech and the increased interest in the mono rig, or as most of you know it, Euro Nymphing, that 10-foot 4 weight is creeping in with a lot of the capabilities that 9-foot 5 weight has, and the 10-foot 4 weight allows you to transition into that Euro Nymphing technique much quicker than that 9.5, giving you that extra foot for direct contact under the rod. And maybe you can see or maybe you can't, but we got precision flying tackle right behind us, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna be grabbing ourselves one of these 10-foot 4 weights and we're putting it against our 9-foot 5 weight. And because we value y'all as the viewers, we're gonna go ahead top of the line for you. So let's get in here and check out this rod. We ordered this special, it's unopened, and we got another one. So let's get in here, check it out. We'll do the unboxing, and then we'll go ahead and get this rod on the water. Maybe not today. You do see some snow behind us, but we got a lot of run around to do other than that today. Keep in mind, we're gonna be fishing this thing for a couple months till we can give it the actual feedback, but you will get an initial water review in this video, y'all. Oh yeah, we're in, y'all. We're in. There it is, y'all. That's right. Thomas Avant II, 10-foot 4 weight. We got the 9.5, and we want to give y'all straight up comparison. We're gonna see, is that 9.5 a dead rod? We'll find out. Let's take a look at this new 10-foot 4. Elena's gonna open it up for us. We're gonna check out that wood grain. You can go ahead. Oh, there it is. That's rich. Fish on, got him, got him, got him. Woo. Here we go, here we go. No, I got you, I got you. Woo. Fish on, full dip on the 10-foot 4 weight, baby. Here we go. That's a nice one too. That's a nice fish. That's a respectable rainbow, baby. Ooh, it holds it. It's holding it all right. That drag don't even need to be set too tight. This 4 weight just holds in the bend. Whew. There it is, baby. In the net. Hooks out. Beautiful fish. Whew. Well, y'all, there it is. That is the first rainbow, first trout, first fish. Actually, we did catch a chub on that Thomas Avant II 9-foot 4 weight. Right there you have it. Little fire tiger by Bone Nose Flies. Now, we'll talk about that a little later, but we're gonna go ahead and try to catch a couple more here for you. It's raining, it's cold, but it is melting some of that snow, and we have water. Yeah, hey, they may be stockers, but they're still fun to catch. And we just wanted to get the feel for what a fish felt like on this 10-4. With that being said, go ahead and get that full dip. Woohoo! Right there it is, y'all. Bang, full dip. Ah. On the home creek too, gotta love it. Fish on, got him, got him. Woo, it's the green one. It's the emerald shiner. That's a smaller one, but we got him nonetheless. Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo. There it is, Paul. Woo-wee. There you go, buddy. And he's back. Nope, they want it on that swing. See if we can swing one in here. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Woo! Swung one, swung one. That's a nice one. That's a nice rainbow, y'all. Woo! Yeah, this Thomas and Thomas 10-4 just handles them too. Right on the lip. Right on the lip. That's a husky one. Woo! Wee! Come on. Ah. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Bone nose, baby. Yeah, a little scarred up. Yep, a little scarred up. We got him. Got him. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. Woo! He's jumping. He's a little jumper. He's breaching. He's breaching. Woo! Ooh, that's a nice little rainbow. He's feisty. He is feisty. Man. There you go, Paw Paw. Come on, fly it, Mr. Rainbow. All right, you're out of here, buddy. You've been a good spirit. Fish on, got him. Ooh, a low brown trout took it. Low brown trout. Woo-hoo. He was taking it for a minute. Just a little nibble. Woo-hoo. On a silly nip, baby. Woo-wee, y'all. All right, y'all, we're gonna go back to that jig streamer by Bone Nose Flies. Now we're staying kind of with that olive, not quite emerald, but a little brighter day. Want to go a little more natural, got a little more clarity, but they did hit that chartreuse silly nymph, so we're gonna stick in that green genre. Now we're gonna start swinging downstream, and the tail on this thing gives a little different color than that last one, more of a burnt orange red. We've still got a little bit of that olive and those silly legs on there, which are the same color as that emerald shiner we were using. I'm gonna go ahead and get down here. Try to get down there. Now this is a little heavy on this 9'4" weight, but it don't matter because the corporal got it. Because the corporal got it. Whew. As I fall in the water. Alright, here we go. Now we got room. There we go. Let that drop. Just start twitching that up. Just like we were doing. They seem to want it on the swing, downstream. They don't seem to be taking it upstream. We'll get that down in there for them. Boom. You gotta remember I got that extra foot too. Oh, fish on. That's a bigger one. Damn, got him. Damn, damn, damn. There it is, baby. Woohoo! He took it. We were right. They want the streamers. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Got the husker on the Thomas and Thomas, baby. Whew. That's a big rainbow. Damn. See what this rod does. 4 weights hold them, no problem. That is a beauty. Damn, damn, damn. Whew. Look at that. He came right up for that. Get away from that log. Get away from the log. Bang. Woo. Right in the net. Paul. Look at that. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Thanks for stopping by. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Turn you around. Go ahead, bro. Go back in there. All right, y'all, that is the husker we've been looking for on this Thomas Thomas Avant II 10-foot 4-weight. Get a little feel for how bigger fish feels. And no, these are not all the same day. We got the rod, first day went out, skunk. Second day went out, skunk. So third day, we caught a couple little ones, a couple decent ones. Today's day 4, and it's all getting put together here for you. Quick little clip. But we'll give you our first impression when we're done here today. But now we got that husker, we can kind of relax and just go fish and see what we do here. And right there you have it. Little dark olive jig streamer by Bono's Flies. And in case you didn't see the whole setup, we're running a Thomas Thomas Avant II 10-foot 4-weight, Orvis Hydros number 2. And we have an SA Infinity Trout 4-weight floating line right there it is. And we got that going down to that Rio 7.5-foot 5X taper leader, but we cut about a foot off the back of that and 8 inches off the front, so it's really about just under 6 feet. And today we are running an SA Mastery Trout. Tip it right there in that 5X. Got one little split shot. That's what we're doing. That's what's catching them. Tried a couple nymphs, tried a couple mops and eggs, but they seem to want our streamer, and they're taking it on a downswing. So if y'all say only fish upstream, well, you wouldn't be having too much luck here these past couple days. Anyway, we're gonna go get back on the water, see what happens. All right, y'all. It's a deep hole on a downswing. We might usually start on the other side if we were nymphing, but there's some brush over there and we're right-handed, so we're just gonna get in here, start swinging from here down, see what happens. Oh. This is it, y'all. We are out of here after this hole. Let's get down in here, see what we can do. Now, they've been taking it on that swing. That's what we're gonna give them. Just give them that nice little swing in there. Boom. Nice little swing in there. Get down there. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, he took it. He hit it. Missed him. Missed him. Missed him. Got him. Got him. Got him. That's a big one. Damn, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Whew. Whew, that's a big rainbow. That's a big one, y'all. Whew. Got him. And he'd be pissed. Got him. That's a husker rainbow. Whoo-wee. Look at him right on the lip. Tagged him right away. Look at that, Paul. Damn, this 10-4 just holds him. It's like a 3-weight almost, but not quite. It's just a little beefier. Here we go. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo. Bang, dude. Look at that tall Paul. That's a fat one. And the fly's out. Beautiful things. That's. Whew. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. He came back after it. He was coming back for it. Damn, bro. You gotta chill out, Holmes. So there you have it, y'all. We did get the full dip on that Thomas Thomas Avant II 10-foot 4-weight, and we put some huskers in the net and got a chance to see what that rod really feels like. Haven't quite run the gamut yet regarding nymphs, wet flies, and dry flies, just pretty much throwing those jig streamers. But we do know it throws those jig streamers by boneless flies very well, even with a little split shot, nothing swims like that, you know what I'm saying? So that's a good thing, because that's something that we do, that we need that rod to be able to do for us if we're comparing that to the 9'5" weight. And at this point, we're not going to make a declaration on whether or not this 10'4" weight replaces that 9'5" weight, but we will tell you that this rod holds fish and is an absolute fire stick. And we got some videos coming up where you're going to see this rod do some pretty cool stuff. But anyway, couldn't fit it onto one. No worries, sorry, wish we could have. Well, what do y'all expect, y'all? TNT, I mean Thomas and Thomas. I'm really digging what this Avant II series rod can do, both that 9'5" weight and that 10'4" weight version. If you want to check out that 9'5" weight in action, we got a link below. This thing's doing some serious work in a tight spot, and yo, really proud of this rod. Back to that 10'4" weight, absolute fire stick. Really like this rod. Like the way it casts. It's very smooth, very delicate. Can't wait to get some dry flies on this thing. And even after a few times out, we have noticed some significant differences, which we will get into later when we wrap all this up. But we're gonna go ahead and put a couple more fish on here for you. Like we said, try some other techniques. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you get an opportunity to check out either one of these rods, the 9'5" weight or the 10'4" weight in the Avant II series by Thomas and Thomas, highly recommend it. And if you do, you can check out our affiliates, Precision Fly and Tackle, right there they are, HLI, Hoffman's Lures Inc., and Bonus Flies. We got links below. Hey y'all, thanks for checking us out. Remember, like, subscribe, share. Follow us on Instagram, @SHH_fishing. That being said, we'll catch you next time. Single Hook Hogs out.